Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So in this video I will show you my earnings report from Envato Elements. So as you might know, I have WordPress plugins uploaded on CodeCanyon and also on Envato Elements. But before everything, I want you to know that I have only 6 WordPress plugins uploaded to Envato Elements. Here they are. While on CodeCanyon you will find 180 plugins uploaded by me. So yeah, I have many more plugins uploaded to CodeCanyon than here on Envato Elements, and because of this the earnings will be much lower on Elements than on CodeCanyon. So let me show you the report. This is the earnings report of Envato Elements for the month February 2022. It is available only until February in this interface because they moved to a new interface from April 4th, and they moved to this new interface here from Envato Author Dashboard. So these earnings, although to be honest this one looked a bit better than the new one, but the new one has more information, and because of this I am happy with the new one more than with this old one. But this looked a bit better because they had this circle graph and they said which is your top earning item and in a nice way. However, okay, so let me show you details about everything. So this is my earnings report, so before tax and after tax, because they also withhold some tax from the earnings. So this is before tax and this is after tax. The period is 1st of May and 21st of May 2022. So in 21 days I got $0.39 per day, but keep in mind only for 6 plugins. And where was I here? So I got in the May 2022, in the month of May 2022, $20. To this we will add $3 as content bonus. This is a content bonus which will be discontinued from 1st of August 2022, and this is the total earnings after tax, $23. But keep in mind for 6 plugins, from which only the WP Setup Wizard is performing a bit better than the others. So now let's go to Item Performance tab here, and we will see that we will be able to select stuff and filter plugins. However, because I have only 6 plugins uploaded, we don't need to filter anything here because we will see the performance, and we can see that WP Setup Wizard is the best performing on Elements and it earns $16 per month, and the rest of the plugins earn much fewer amount of money. With Opticon earns $5, Perf Boost $2, and the rest earn 1 or 0 point something dollars. Okay, so this is the earnings, content bonus ratio and earnings change from previous periods, and we see here from compared to April, this is the earnings change compared to April, from May to April. And yeah, this is the earnings report. If we go lower here, we will see that these are the daily earnings on Elements. This darker green is the content bonus, which unfortunately will not be there anymore from August. And these are the light green lines, which are the earnings of Elements. So yeah, this is the earnings report from Envato Elements, and yeah, let me zoom out to lifetime here because I want to show you also the lifetime earnings from Envato Elements. And WP Setup Wizard earned $570 alone from August 2022. So I had it for almost 1 year here uploaded on Envato Elements, and it earned me $570 in I can say 10 months and 20 days, because now it's June 24th. Yeah, it's something like that. So $574 earned by WP Setup Wizard plugin only on Envato Elements. YouTube video mask poster and pinner almost 100, perf boost almost 100, and the others a bit less. So JValidate, the purchase code verifier plugin, only $22. So keep in mind, earnings on Envato Elements will vary based on the popularity of the plugin that you upload or of the asset you upload, because you might know that Envato Elements has many subcategories where you can upload your stuff. You can upload images, videos, music, sounds, 3D art, or WordPress themes, plugins, and many more, and you can earn by their Envato Elements subscription from them. So these are my lifetime earnings. The grand total is almost $900. So almost $900 earned in 11 months almost from Envato Elements. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, let me know in the comments what other stuff you might be interested in, and I will respond and make a video on it. And like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Over and out. Bye bye.